In case you haven't used the online textbook a lot, I want to go through quickly how you get to the textbook, how you find the story that you're looking for, and how you use the note-taking features, and how you can answer questions directly in your textbook. So the first thing you want to do is go to your home screen by clicking the home button. You can also go to start.hcps.org. You should be on a page with some tiles. I probably have a few more than you do, but the tile that you're looking for is the one that says Holt McDougall Online, which is our textbook. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And again, I'm going to have a few more options than you are, but you're looking for Collections Grade 10, and I'm going to click on the student ebook so that mine looks like yours. And once you get here, I'm already to the right page, but you may not be. So the way that you find the page number, first of all, you could click on contents and go through the table of contents, but sometimes this takes a little while. So if you hover up top, you're going to see a prompt that says go to page with an orange line. So I'm going to go straight here and I'm going to type in the page number that I'm looking for. And I'll always give that to you so you know. So we're looking for page 39. And in order to get there, you have to click the orange arrow afterwards. So like I said, we were already here. This is going to take us to without title. So a couple of things that you want to notice as you're looking at the book. It asked you, you can go to page view if you can't see this, and this is going to help you make the text bigger or smaller as needed. So if you want this to look a little bit larger, you can zoom in and that's going to help you read. Then you can zoom back out if you want to make it smaller. You can have a face-to-face view with both pages. You can also have it so that it's scrolling. Okay, but I like the middle where you can just see the one page. Okay, looks like we are on page 38 now, so we're going to go forward back to 39 where we wanted to be. And your directions were first of all to read the poem. So again, you want to make that text a little bit bigger. You can go ahead through, read the poem the first time, and then it's asking you to take some notes and to highlight. So the way that you're going to do that is to click on the button over here that says Notes. And after you've done that, you can go ahead and highlight over anything. We're looking for details that show the change in culture. And the detail I found was it's hard, you know, without the buffalo, the shame, and the arrow. And the reason that I highlighted this was because I felt like she's starting the poem by talking about how hard it is without the things that they used to have. So this shows the difficulty of changing culture. So once I highlight, it's going to give me the option to add a note. Sorry, I just came downstairs and my Wi-Fi isn't working right. So I'll try this one more time. Okay. So once I highlight, I click on Add Note, and this is going to open the text box over here. Now, sometimes you might want to highlight for different things, so you can change the color of the highlighting. You can highlight different colors for different things. I'm going to stick with yellow right now, and I'm going to write in here that it's hard. Shows that, sorry, internet troubles. The words "it's hard" shows that the speaker is struggling with the changes in culture. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and save my note. So this will be here next time I'm looking for this page. The next part of your directions asks to go to page 40. There's going to be two ways to do this. You could go to page 40 up top, or you could just click the forward button. And this is going to take us to questions on the next page. So if we want to answer these questions in the text, what you're going to need to do is click on the question icon, and this is going to put the questions so that you can just type them out in the box. All right, so identify what details does the speaker use to contrast life in her father's original culture and life in the city, okay? So basically what you will do is type your answer here. Oh my goodness. Go back and fix that up. And then at the bottom, you need to be sure to click on this My Notebook box. When you check that, it saves your answers. If you forget to check this, your answers that you typed in here are not going to be saved. All right, so once I'm finished with that, I'm going to go ahead and X out of this box. And I can return to the poem, look for any details I might need if I want to review before I write my answer and go back. So that's just a quick idea of how you can use some of the different features, the notes, the page view, and then also the icon that helps you to answer those questions in the textbook. If you have questions as you're working, please remember to click back to the Teams meeting. My sounds will always be on. If you unmute yourself or if you type in the chat box, I can hear you and I can help you.